Understanding the pre-training process and data in NLP. Building foundations for effective language models. The pre-training process and data in NLP are typically done during the initial design and development of a language model. It does not need to be performed each time a user signs up or interacts with the NLP system. The pre-training process involves training a language model on a large corpus of text data to learn the patterns and structures of language. This process is computationally intensive and time-consuming, and it requires a substantial amount of computational resources. Once the pre-training process is completed and the language model is trained, the resulting model can be used for various NLP tasks without the need for retraining every time a user signs up or interacts with the system. The trained model serves as a foundation that captures the knowledge and understanding of language. When a user signs up or interacts with an NLP system, the pre-trained model is typically fine-tuned further on specific tasks or datasets that are relevant to the user's needs. Fine-tuning helps tailor the model's behavior and performance to the specific task or application. So, while the pre-training process is performed during the design phase of an NLP system, it is not required to be repeated for each user interaction. Instead, the pre-trained model is leveraged and fine-tuned as needed to provide accurate and task-specific responses or outputs.